Old North Church, officially, Christ Church in the city of Boston, at 193 Salem Street, in the North End, Boston, is the location from which the famous 1 if by land, 2 if by sea signal is said to have been sent. This phrase is related to Paul Revere's Midnight Ride of April 18, 1775, which preceded the battles of Lexington and Concord during the American Revolution. The church is a mission of the Episcopal Diocese of Massachusetts. It was built in 1723 and is the oldest standing church building in Boston and a National Historic Landmark. In April 1775, Paul Revere told 3 Boston patriots to hang 2 lanterns in the steeple. These men were the church sexton Robert Newman and Captain John Pulling Jr., the 2 of whom historian David Hackett Fisher suggests each carried 1 lantern up to the steeple, as well as Thomas Bernard, who stood watch for British troops outside the church. The lanterns were displayed to send a warning to Charlestown patriots across the Charles River about the movements of the British Army. Revere and William Dawes would later deliver the same message to Lexington themselves, but this lantern method was a fast way to inform the backup riders in Charlestown about the movements of the British. These backup riders planned to deliver the warning message to Lexington and Concord in case Revere and Dawes were arrested on the way.